Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a fun macrame loop pattern to add variations into all your macrame creations. Let's get started. For this project I am using 4mm 3-ply rope, and I have two different colors, and I've just put two of the same colors in the middle and then my other color surrounding them. My first step is to take the side here on the left, and I'm going to wrap it around the yellow ropes that are next to it in a loop pattern. So I just cross it over, twist it around, and bring it through that loop, and then I just pull it up towards the top. And I'm just going to loosely pull it tight. Then I repeat on this side, so I take it over the ropes they're next to, twist it around to go through the loop, and then give that a nice gentle tug to tighten. Now I'm going to cross the grouping of rope I have in the middle, so I'm just going to take the right side over the left like an X, and working here on this side I'm going to take it around to form another loop. Gently pull that tight. Then I'm going to take the other side and repeat on the right. So I take it and I twist it around and through, gently pull on it to tighten it, just like that. And now I'm going to come back and I'm going to take my neutral color here and repeat the first step I did. So I just take it around the yellow ropes and take it through, pull that tight. And I repeat again on the right side. Take my two yellow sections and cross the right over the left to form an X. Then I take that side and it goes around my solid color. Take the other side around the right. Just like that, and I'm just repeating these steps until I have the desired length I want. What you want to pay attention to when tying these ropes is to just make sure that your ropes on each little loop are stacked on top of each other instead of all twisted and overlapping. You just want them to lay right on top of each other. There you go. This is just a fun variation on a loop pattern that you can use with two different colors, you can use with 4 different colors, you can use with 1 color, so you can kind of have fun with what you do with this, but it's a pretty pattern, and I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.